Well, for today's trade of the day, we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. We're actually going to be looking at dollar CAD today, so the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, or the loonie, as it's called. Basically, good move up this afternoon. Actually, it really kicked off from about sort of 1:15. We got an entry just here where my cursor is right now, sort of around sort of 102.59, targeting around that sort of 102.76 area. So only a modest sort of 17 points or so for the target zone. Doesn't sound a lot, but I tell you what, the risk reward on this trade was excellent, and it was a trade that we called, and certainly I made reference to, at about 9:30 this morning, so UK time. So really waiting for that long trade for quite a while, and here's why. Let's have a little look through here. I'm going to compress this chart up a little bit, and we're going to look for some support that we found and found for a number of times. We're looking for these dotted green lines that we're seeing here now. These are what we call our pivot points, and as the price hit that 102.54 area there, a number of times it's rejected that level before. Look at the shadows or the wicks on these candlesticks rejecting that level, and again as we moved through and retested those levels after 9:30, again we started to build up that support off that area. Compressing the chart just a little bit further, we can see again that 54 area, and even further going back another couple of days, again that 53 area. So that cluster of pivot points at that same price there, really demonstrating a very strong level of support in that area. So as I just go back into the chart there, so what we're then looking for is those indicators having tested that level of support to then turn from red to green here, and also down here to then give us that entry opportunity. So it's tested that level, it's rejected it, that's then led to an opportunity to buy, giving us our entry at 102.59, targeting 102.76, and with a stop of literally about 7 points away. That's a great trade. Risking maybe 100 quid on that trade, you could have picked up about 250 quid profit there, even from a very modest 17 points target. Nice trade, very much textbook, and called to Trend Signal customers this morning. Thanks for listening.